Today we will be making a vase out of a bottle. First, step 1. Clean out the bottle and take off the labels. Here's the supplies I'll need. And if you want, you can add some decorations.
What are you doing right now?
We are taking out the paint.
What are you doing now?
I
Finishing?
am finishing the painting. The
First
bottle.
coat?
The first coat of the bottle.
Awesome.
I just finished doing this and it came out like this. Yeah. So I am done and goodbye. Thank you. Are done and goodbye. Have a good day.